Now, in order to solve a problem like this, we need to understand that each one is an equation. So I can put in a value for x and I can put in a value for y and see if it's actually equal. So that's what I'm going to do with this. I'm going to try this one first. It says that y is 6 and x is 3. So in place of y, I'm going to put a 6, and in place of x, I'm going to put a 3. So I'm going to rewrite it as 6 equals 3. Now because those two are next to each other, that's multiplication, 3 times 3. So then I solve, let's see, 3 times 3 is 9. So does 6 equal 9? No, so this one is not true. I would try it out with each one of these in my calculator. I'm going to use y equals 2 times x. Y equals 2 times x when x is 3 and y is 6. 2 times 3 is 6, so that would give me 6 equals 6. Does 6 equal 6? Yes, that is true. So this is my equation where x would be 3 and y would be 6. So if I had a table, one of my coordinate pairs would be 3, 6.